If you're a builder who loves building AI agents and automations, this video is for you. In this video series, we'll talk about how AI agents are built using Gambits and all the different types of Gambits available in the TARS no-code builder. So let's jump into it. Let's start by understanding what is a Gambit. A Gambit means one single back and forth conversation between the agent and the user. You can think of a Gambit as a single step of a conversation where the agent says something and the user responds with something. There are many different types of Gambits in the TARS no-code builder, such as basic Gambits and agent Gambits. But to illustrate what a Gambit means, I'll show you using a basic Gambit. So let's jump into the TARS no-code builder for this example. The first step in building any agent is always to click this Add a Gambit button. We'll name this Gambit welcome_user and we'll ensure that the Gambit type is set to basic in this drop-down menu. Now let's edit the agent's message bubble. It can be something simple like, "Hello, I'm an AI agent. What's your name?" And we'll ensure that the user input, which is denoted by this blue bubble, is set to text. If you want to know more about the different types of user inputs, don't worry, we will cover that in a different video. Now, we will save our changes to this Gambit by clicking this button. Let's publish the agent by clicking the Publish button right here and then clicking the button next to it to view the agent in a new tab. Here we go. The agent started by giving its message. I, or the user, can now respond. And this is what one Gambit looks like in the front end of your agent. It is one single back and forth conversation between the agent and the user. If we add more Gambits to this, then the steps in the conversation will increase.